This presentation is on absolute geometry, and the presenters are Carrie Hadfield, Pfeiffer Harala, and Sherry Mays. In a land far, far away, over 2,000 years ago, there was a great Greek mathematician, Euclid of Alexandria, the father of geometry. Little did Euclid know, he started an epic battle between mathematicians that would continue for centuries. It all began with Euclid's book, Elements, written in 300 BC. Elements is made up of 13 books and begins with 23 definitions, 5 postulates, and 5 common notions. The topics covered in the books include triangles, rectangles, circles, polygons, proportions, similarity, number theory, solid geometry, pyramids, and Platonic solids. In absolute geometry, the 5 postulates are what interest us. Here are Euclid's 5 postulates. We will take a look at each one of them individually. The first postulate. It is possible to draw a straight line from any point to another point. The first postulate focuses on the idea of straightness. Given any 2 points, the connection between those points is created by a straight line. Conversely, if you were to draw lines like this, you are able to connect the points, but those lines are not straight. This is what the first postulate prevents. Instead, you must draw a line as such. Creating a straight line between 2 given points. The second postulate. It is possible to produce a finite straight line continuously in a straight line. The idea of flatness is the focus of Euclid's second postulate. It states that you cannot draw a line that has bumps in it, such as this. A line will remain flat at all times, guaranteeing flatness. The third postulate. It is possible to describe a circle with any center and radius. The fourth postulate. All right angles are equal to one another. The fourth is also uncontroversial and states simply that all right angles are equal, a proposition necessary to ensure that the space we are working in is essentially the same everywhere. This property of sameness at every point is the defining quality of a geometry. For mathematically speaking, there are wilder and more unruly spaces. It does not matter what object you use or where the object is located. All right angles are equal to one another. For example, we can talk about right angles in France, Germany, and Colombia.